down wherever you...
What you got there, Michael?
There you go.
Hey? Hey? What's he doing?
Mommy, you might have to buy a cat. No. No, I don't like cats.
You didn't hesitate, did you?
No. I like dogs. I don't know. There is something that I don't like.
Do you want to sit down?
It's okay, we'll have to leave soon anyway. You have to go back to work and... Yeah. What do you have there? Oh, it's a nice cat. Look at Kiwi baby, no? Yeah. Oh my God. Uh-oh. Ow! You touch his eye.
What did he do?
There we go.
What did he do?
Don't touch that, Michael.
Tell somebody likes the cat.
Oh, look, he knows I'm holding it.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Where are you? He's whistling?
He doesn't
Oh
like
my
cheese.
God.
He's too busy. Off he goes. Coming through.
Yeah, non-stop.
Where are you going?
Non-stop.
Okay.
I'll see you later.
Bye-bye, Michael.
What we doing?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Easy now.
Who's going?